The disaster that occurred was a devastating hurricane that struck the coastal town of Bayville on September 15, 2023. The hurricane, named Hurricane Delta, was a Category 4 storm, with winds reaching up to 150 miles per hour. During the disaster, people in Bayville took several actions to ensure their safety. Many evacuated their homes and sought shelter in designated evacuation centers, while others rented further houses with bones and sandbanks. The impact of Hurricane Delta was severe. Strong winds and heavy rains caused flooding and extensive damage to infrastructure, etc. Also, in the aftermath of the disaster, the community came together to support each other. Despite the devastation caused by Hurricane Delta, Bayville eventually managed to recover and implement a more robust infrastructure.